Okay. I guess I'm live. Hey everybody, happy July the 4th. I can already hear some fireworks off in the distance there. There's going to be a big to-do in my neighborhood later on this evening. But hey, this is Mike from Mike's Magic Resto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in sunny Sharpsburg, Georgia. Well, pretty sunny. But those of you who saw my video earlier, and my post and photographs and all that earlier, know what I'm up to today. Trying to get rid of some of this. See all that gunk that was on my car from sitting outside for a couple of months unattended and not maintained the way you're supposed to. Oh boy, look at that. On the wheels, on the glass, on the windshield. Look at that hood, would you? Holy cow. Oh, that's a video. We don't want to watch that. I just want to show you, look at that hood, how nasty it was. At this point, all I've done is the wheels and tires, did a pretty thorough wash job on those. And on the exterior part of the car, all I've done is I used a foam cannon with McKee's rinseless wash. I think it's N14, the kind with no protection left, because I did not want any. This strips the paint pretty good. I did all that, rinsed that down real well with the pressure washer. Then I force air dried it with my dedicated car dryer, which uses heated and forced air. Ooh, that's nasty, ain't it? All right, well, let's take a look at what it looks like now. No contact wash, just foaming it and rinsing it. Hey, from back here it looks pretty good, doesn't it? Until you get up closer, and then you'll see there's still lots of gunk and water spots left, but it did a very good job of getting the initial crud off, I thought. Same thing with the windshield. Not bad for not even a contact wash of any sort. Same with the side windows. The roof turned out well, which the roof has a very hard and tough ceramic coating on it. And most of the time, the parts of the car that have this coating on it, all they need is a good rinse and a dry. Don't even have to wash them. If you get up real close, you can see some water spotting and stuff that's still there. We'll be experimenting with that. Remember this glass? I know it's not even close to being perfect or acceptable, but it is way better than what it was. Same goes for the rest of the car. Remember this nastiness you saw earlier in the video? And I pulled her inside because I wanted pretty much the same lighting. All that nastiness that was here and on this glass, I'd say a lot of it is gone. Most of it. It's not perfect with no contact wash, but everything came out rather well. Go back and look at the early part of the video. You'll see the tires and wheels. Didn't strip them down, but washed them pretty thoroughly. That is night and day. That's what that TMR ceramic coating will do for these wheels. I'm telling you folks, all I haven't done any wiping, nothing. All I did was foam them, clean them a little bit with a soft brush, dried them off. Not a whole lot of work involved. I tell you what, that's the way to get it going, folks. Man, oh man. So, next, I chemically deconned all this with Iron X as well. So, I think most of the contaminants are gone. I don't know. But once I do the contact wash, and I'm sure the paint's absolutely clean and it's not dirt that I'm feeling, I'll test it and see if I need to clay bar any parts of it. and then I'll move on to experimenting with that new product I showed you guys in the earlier video. Anyway, I just wanted you to see it made a huge improvement. It's not anywhere near acceptable, but a big improvement from what it was. And now I don't have to worry about scratching the paint trying to get all that crud off that was on there. I'll probably just do a rinseless wash, contact wash, because in my opinion it is much safer than any 2-bucket, 1-bucket, 3-bucket method with soap in one and water in one, blah blah blah. Rinseless wash with probably 6 to 8 different wash mitts. Oh guys, thank y'all much for tuning in on the holiday. Have a great time. Like, tag, share, follow, all that stuff. Thank you very much. Bye now.